मर्द रोते थोड़ी हैं।
Try to understand, you're the bread earner.
A man's life is defined by the number in his paycheck.
मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता।
ये देखकर कुछ रिलेट कर पाए? I'm pretty sure all the guys, men out there, we've been through this situation innumerable of times. These gender stereotypes are wired into us. They are like second nature to us. I know it's a patriarchal society and I'm not proud of it. But not being able to show emotions, वो judgmental looks, जब आँख में एक आंसू आ जाए, most of you must be thinking, क्या बोल रहा है ये? I know, we are wired like this. But it's okay to show emotions.
मैं वो हूँ जिसे पैदा होते ही उम्मीदों से लाद दिया गया, बड़े लाड से रखा गया और थोड़े प्यार से भी। कभी कभी गलतियों पर मार भी दिया जाता है और फिर हमारे रोने पे पुरस्कार दिया जाता है, ये कहते हुए कि तुम लड़के हो, ऐसे रोया थोड़ी जाता है।
कुछ ज्यादा इमोशनल नहीं हो गया? What do you think? बस इतने ही किससे होता है? आगे देखता है, कितना कुछ नहीं पूछता है ये भारत।
Welcome to our hot discussion. Today we have a panel with us who have nothing to do with the topic but have some views, opinions that doesn't even matter. But it's our duty and responsibility to bring to you. So, what are your thoughts on Bollywood?
It's an entertainment business. People should expect entertainment from it.
That makes sense. I want an answer that does not make sense.
They cannot make mistakes in their life because mistakes are only for humans, not Bollywood stars.
We are now connecting with our reporter.
Sir, we have received a news that a man named Sonu Sharma is being domestically abused by his wife. She even demanded 20 lakhs to let him see their daughter. I think we should telecast this news. It's really messed up.
Do you hear yourself? That's some serious journalism you are doing. We don't do that over here. It's been very busy lately hacking WhatsApp and leaking celebrity chats. Don't come to me with such kind of news. It's just a one-day thing. A story on social media will be enough to show our stand. Now go find some chats for me. And remember, there's a news channel to run.
Yes, this is how mainstream media has been dealing with things right now. You heard them. A story on this situation is enough. I know the ratio of discrimination against men is less compared to other genders, but why leave it unaddressed? There are laws in Indian Constitution that don't even account for men. Come on, let's look at them.
A boy is entitled to his maintenance till he turns 18, and a girl is entitled to her maintenance till she gets married. Under the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act of 1956, it is the responsibility of the parent to take care and maintain her girl child until she decides to provide it for herself or get married.
If a woman is treated with physical or mental cruelty by her husband and his family, she can throw them behind the bars. I know, that's completely fine and a good way to serve justice. But here's the catch. Section 498 of Indian Penal Code says that the woman doesn't need to give any evidence whatsoever. Fair enough, but let's consider the number of reported false imprisonments.
Do you know a man can serve up to 3 years of jail for sexual harassment of a woman? But what about a woman? According to section 354A of Indian Penal Code, a man can serve up to 3 years of jail for sexual harassment of a woman. But can you tell me, why isn't there any law like this for a woman? Trust me, these are just a few out of many.
Hi, I am a Delhi-based businessman who was assaulted and threatened to be charged for rape, even but it wasn't my fault. They were the ones who had borrowed my money and refused to pay me back when I asked for it. Yes, Neha Jindal and Sumit Goswami. She literally tore her clothes just to pretend to prove that she was right, and you know how the justice system works here. I didn't expect justice, so I gave up. Yes, I am Aman Basla, and I have many more whose voices are never heard.
This poor guy even uploaded an Instagram video by drawing parallels with late actor Sushant Singh Rajput. He quoted, "If Sushant Singh Rajput isn't getting justice, how would I get it?"
सही तो कहा है, कहाँ पूछता है हमें ये भारत।
I received a text from my brother last evening with the link, "Track your ride." It said, "I don't feel safe in this cab." The next message read, "You talk about women, I talk about men. We aren't the same."
Is it necessary for a man to stand when a lady arrives? To give away whatever he earns for your two-time meal? Is it necessary for him to listen and not speak? To make others happy and to not feel low even when he feels weak? Is it necessary for him to stay strong when he's broken inside? To pretend that he's alright with the crowd around? Oh well, men clamor and not cry. This is not just one incident I overcame. You talk about women, I talk about men. We aren't the same.
We visit a toy shop and my nephew picks up a pink doll. "Is this the only thing you managed to find in this whole damn hall?" the old granny asked and snatched it. Is it alright for him to play with whatever his eye adore? You talk about women, I talk about men. We aren't the same.
Should men be distinguished by the way they react to situations, cold-hearted and hard being their utter definitions? Do not bow before anyone. Oh wait, only when it is for their one and only one? Isn't it perfectly fine when a guy cooks by his own choice and not talk in his usual voice? Oh well, I believe gentle needs to be used only while referring and not be applied in real life. You talk about women, I talk about men. We aren't the same.
So ladies, how easy is it to fight for your rights? The moment you don't see reserved seats for your future, that is not so bright. To get yourself a place without even running the race.
Just let me know, what have they done to be called as males? Because certainly I am a female. Even though you talk about women and I still continue to talk about men, and so we are not the same.
कौन कहता है कि मर्द रो नहीं सकते? पूछने वाला चाहिए यार।